We look up at the stars and think we're seeing the universe, but are we? Everything we know about space, from black holes to distant galaxies, passes through the filter of a human brain. Our senses, our instruments, even our thoughts. They don't show us reality as it is. They show us a version shaped by biology, evolution, and physics. So here's the real question. Are we uncovering the universe or just decoding our own illusions? When you see the Milky Way at night, you're not actually seeing stars. You're catching ancient light, some of it millions of years old, processed through your eyes, converted to neural signals, and interpreted by your brain. You're not experiencing the galaxy. You're experiencing a reconstruction of it, filtered and rendered in real time inside your mind. Just like we don't see ultraviolet light or hear infrasound, we only perceive a narrow slice of what's truly out there. We call this slice reality, but it's more like a highlight reel created by the brain. Now ask yourself, did evolution shape our senses to reveal truth? No, it shaped them to keep us alive. Cognitive scientist Donald Hoffman argues that reality, in its full complexity, is like a chaotic desktop. But evolution gave us icons, a simplified interface. We don't need to see atoms or quantum fields to survive. We need to spot food, threats, and mates. So we see what's useful, not what's true. That applies to space too. Telescopes extend our senses, but they still feed data to a human brain trained to simplify. The more we explore the cosmos, the more we realize how little we can grasp. We can't see dark matter or dark energy, yet they make up 95% of the universe. We can't imagine a singularity, yet black holes warp space and time in ways our brains can't simulate. Even time, once thought linear, behaves differently, depending on gravity and velocity. Is the universe weird, or are our minds just too limited to understand its true structure? Maybe the cosmos isn't made of space, time, and matter. Maybe it's made of information, probabilities, or something we can't even name yet. We assume consciousness helps us uncover the universe, but it might also blind us. Our brains filter billions of sensory inputs per second, ignoring most of it. They invent continuity, fabricate memories, and hide contradictions. Even the idea of you as a stable observer is a mental construct, constantly rewritten by neurons. So when we say we're exploring the universe, are we really? Or are we just mapping the edges of what our minds let us experience? Perhaps the real universe, unfiltered, raw, and absolute, is forever beyond reach. Still, every photon from a distant star, every whisper of gravitational waves, every mystery we dare to ask, pulls back the curtain just a little. We may never see the universe as it is, but every step we take toward it is still part of something beautiful. This is Infinite Narratives. Subscribe to keep exploring what lies beyond perception and beneath it.